Now on 60-second booze reviews, Gosnells Citra Sea Mead. Gosnells, if you haven't seen the other videos, is a great little meadery based in Peckham in South London. They do a couple different varieties. There's this one here, which is their Citra Sea Mead, which will be coming in, but will also be in canned format as well, but there's liquids the same. So this one is based on their their flagship mead, their Gosnells, which is made with 100% Spanish blossom honey. This one has the inclusion of a couple different key ingredients. Now I liken this to you know, a more of a craft IPA style mead almost. With this one, they've got Citra hop mead, Citra hops, tarragon, lemon peel, and seawater. Now they're all in really small amounts, so what you get is quite complex, interesting, light mead. I do think it's one of the best ones they produce. It's definitely there with my favourites. It's great to drink for beer drinkers or cider drinkers as well. I have it chilled from the fridge. You can have it in a like in replacement of Prosecco and sparkling wines, and that is Gosnells Citra Sea Mead.